হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, ওয়েলকাম টু স্মার্ট ইংলিশ গাইড চ্যানেল। আজকের আলোচনার বিষয় হলো একটি প্যারাগ্রাফ, ইউনিটি। উই হ্যাভ অল হিয়ার্ড অ্যাবাউট এ প্রোভার্ব, ইউনিটি ইজ স্ট্রেংথ। ইউনিটি মিন্স লিভিং টুগেদার। ইট ইজ ডুইং এ থিং টুগেদার। It is the united strength of a group of people. A man alone may not be able to do a particular piece of work, but he can do it with the help of others. The united force is called unity. So, we say unity is strength. Unity is the habit of working together. It gives strength. We may not lift a load alone, but if many men try unitedly, they can do it. If there is no unity among the brothers of a family, the family cannot flourish. They are liable to the feeble and fallible. Their enemies can harm them. Even a strong man may fail to protect himself against the attack of a group of men. A drop of rain is little, but drops collected together can flood a land. A piece of thread is thin, but a rope made many pieces can tie up an elephant. A group of ants drag a lump of food heavier than themselves. It is our duty to work together. Unity is especially important for India to keep the country united. We must not forget, united we stand, divided we fall.